I've worked with different industries at different stages of my career, and what I've been through and all the skills I've picked up that currently help me in my work are the things I'll be sharing with you this evening. I finished from school, didn't get into an international oil and gas company, but what were the options I had? I had KPMG. If you guys are all engineers, you might not be familiar with them, but KPMG is a leading professional services firm. Kimbalarayan, banking, where I served, I was retained, indigenous oil and gas servicing company, PwC, and an indigenous oil and gas consulting company. So I had all these options, and I needed to make a choice. So the first thing I did was to group the companies into industries. So it was easier that way. KPMG, PwC, number 1, number 2, number 3. So I thought to myself, what will I gain from PwC? Day-to-day international exposure to global development. So I settled with PwC. I said, expect the unexpected every time, but never lose focus. You need to learn to balance corporate expectations with personal developments and your personal growth. So I learned a lot about data gathering, data analysis, learned a lot about management consulting. Looking at where I am today and all the things I've done in the past, I'm able to relate all the skills that I've picked up to what I'm doing right now. The other side of the skills that I picked up, which is the management consulting, how that has found relevance in what I do right now is, we realize that a lot of engineers, we are very technical sometimes. And all we want to do is to prove to someone that 1 + 1 is always 2. That's good, but when you need to relate with management, and that is one thing you must bear in mind as early career engineers, and that's why you need leadership skills, actually. So my management consulting comes into play when I want to present what I have done, the technical bits of what I've done, to management. What is management looking at? The bottom line. If you cannot relate it to finance, they are probably not interested. So you need to be able to tell management, this is how improving the reliability of this equipment will affect production and ultimately impact on the bottom line. And then I'll end my talk by saying again that as early career engineers, we must learn to weigh our options and choose wisely, expect the unexpected, but never lose focus. So be ready for surprises. It might not be exactly what you thought it would be, but you can make the most of it. And that's why you should make the most of every opportunity life offers you. So I hope I see you guys at the top. Thank you.